Give it to me like.
Is that true that Kenjeran tourism dominated by plastic waste?
Kenjeran, a name familiar to Surabaya residents. This beach a favorite family destination, especially on weekend. But do you know what threatens the future of this tourist attraction?
Kenjeran, specifically in Bulak district, is Surabaya, specifically in the Sukolilo Baru sub-district residents across community with unique characteristics. 92% of the population are fishermen. The majority are of migrants and the men go out to sea at night and return home in the morning. Women process the seafood, cleaning, drying, boiling, and selling it. This community goes on daily, but not this good because life there's a seriously problem. Primarily, plastic waste is secret through the sediments, floating in the sea and pulling up in various locations.
Previously, city officials collected trash on a week or two, but because of the irregularity, trash overflowed onto the streets and rivers. The residents were disappointed. The existing temporary landfill was dismantled. The problems didn't stop there. Most of the residents' trash was organic waste from processed seafood. Within less than 24 hours, this waste produced a full odor, but there was no adequate collection system.
Furthermore, community participation in the cleanliness of Kenjeran Beach was also very low. This despite the existence of a waste bank initiated by women from a local Quran study group. Sorting and weighing were carried out twice a week. Most residents felt they didn't have the time to sort their waste. Furthermore, this activity was seen as not providing any direct economic benefit.
So, what are the real impact of this plastic waste problem? Does it really threaten Kenjeran tourism?
The first impact is environmental and marine ecosystem damage. Plastic waste pollutes seawater and coastal areas. Microplastic threaten the marine life that is the source of fishermen's livelihoods. The second impact is the threat to the community's economy. Research shown that waste pollution leads to decreased fish productivity and a decrease in tourists who wants to vacation on a dirty and smelly beach. As a result, local traders suffer losses and the coastal community's economy is under pressure.
The third impact is that the health of people living along the coast is increasingly deteriorating every day. Residents live with the pungent smell of garbage. During the rainy season, drains fill with water and the stench intensity. This has the potential to cause various diseases.
A study in Kenjeran district revealed interesting fact about public awareness regarding reducing plastic bag use. The research showed that the higher the level of education, the higher the awareness regarding plastic bag reduction. Furthermore, public awareness was also measured using 5 factors: knowledge, attitude, behavior, concern, and participation. Interestingly, the level of knowledge, public participation remain low.
To understand the series of this problem, we need to see where all this trash come from.
Most of the plastic piling up in Kenjeran doesn't just come from the coastal community, but also from the river flow that carries household waste from the city center.
The river, which should be a source of life, has now turned into a trash conveyor belt to the sea.
Mangrove roots, which usually serve as natural coastal protectors, are now filled with plastic.
Their ecological function is described here. Mangrove are your last line of defense against abrasion and extreme waves.
When mangroves are damaged, the coast weakens. For fishermen, plastic waste is not just polluting the sea, it also damages their fishing gear.
Many spend more time cleaning nets than catching fish.
Catches decline while costs remain the same.
A fisherman on side, no, we get plastic first before we get fish.
This expression illustrates the condition they face every day.
When fish become scarce, prices then rise.
Consumers are harmed, traders lose customers, and fishermen are increasingly desperate.
The constant economic chain weakness not because they are lazy, but because the environment they depend on is sick.
However, amidst this heavy problem, hope remains. Some communities in Kenjeran have started holding regular beach cleanup activities. Not only do they pick up trash, but they also educate children about the dangers of plastic and the importance of protecting the sea. Meanwhile, the concept of a circular economy is being introduced. Plastic being collected and sold as recyclable material. The result might not be huge, but they add income and, more importantly, they change the perspective that waste can be valued.
If all parties resident, government, communities, and tourists move together, change is not just possible, but Kerthen Kenjeran can become a prime destination for Surabaya again. We only have on Kenjeran protective. It is not just one party's task, but a shared responsibility. Let's start with small steps: reducing single-use plastic, disposing of trash properly, and supporting local movement, because big change always start from small things done together.
So, can this problem be solved? Yes, we can. As long as we use the right approach, change the paradigm, no longer throwing away trash, but utilizing trash, with plain, independent, and measurable education. The change is possible.
Kenjeran is our shared tourist asset. The sea is not a trash dump. Let's keep Kenjeran a coast, clean and sustainable for today and for future generations.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong, and what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach. So remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride. Let the light.
Yus.
The irregularity
Sebelumnya baik, ada nggak? Nah, oh iya itu ya, saya kira kono.
In the cement well, mana?
2, 2, 3.
However, amidst this heavy problem of remains some
Communities, lu bisa Oh iya, ya. Meanwhile, the concept of a circular economy is being introduced. Plastic is sorted baru. Terus.
Aku deh.
ingat sedih.
Iya, ingat sedih. Sedih.
Stop.
Orang sedih kan? Gitu, orang sedih itu.
However, amidst
Oh iya, stop.
enggak itu banget aku bahasa ini.
1, 2, 3.
However, amidst this heavy problem